Welcome. This short screencast is going to show you how to install XAMPP on a Macintosh machine. We are running OS X 10.7, which is the Lion version. Okay, as you can see, I've got XAMPP as a download on the desktop, which I got from the Apache Friends website. So I'm going to double click to open that file. And it's as simple as dragging the file, fold it over into the shortcut, and it'll copy it into the applications folder directly. And this should only take a few seconds. It's saying probably about 5 seconds left, but you know what the machine's like. And that's it. That's the files installed. So all I'm going to do now is eject the disk image, and I'm going to bring up a new Finder and go into the applications folder, and there's XAMPP. I'm going to double click, and we can see the fact we've got the various bits and pieces like etc, XAMPP control and XAMPP files. Now we need to do a small change on this to actually give a different port. So we go to etc, and you should find the http.conf. Click on it, right mouse button, and we wish to open it with something called TextMate, or rather than use text edit, download and grab Text Wrangler. It's a free application, and it's a great one for editing files. Alternatively, you can actually open up in something like NetBeans and edit it there. Okay, so we need to now search and find 80, because it's going to allow us to find the bits and pieces we need to alter. So we're going to change now the listening port. Now I'm going to keep a copy of this as it was, and we're going to put on port list. We're going to listen on port 81. Going to find again, and we can actually make the server name localhost 81, and again just comment out the original name. Just do another couple of checks to see whether or not it's elsewhere, and that's it. All you do then is go File, Save, and you can quit Text Wrangler because we've finished. Okay, let's now run a web browser. Now I've got Firefox and Safari running, so I'm just going to run some Firefox. http://localhost:81. It's not going to run yet because one thing we haven't done is start XAMPP. Now there's a couple of ways you can do this. I have Alfred on my computer, so I'm going to use my shortcut to get into Alfred. And I'm going to type XAMPP, and you can see XAMPP control is there. Click on it and it runs XAMPP control. Because it's the first time we loaded, we are asked. Let me click on Start to start Apache, and it will ask me for my password to start it up as myself. So I have to type that in. Press Enter, and it should be started. So let's go back to Firefox and press Enter, and there we go, the splash page. Click on English, and we definitely have XAMPP running. And that's it. Done.